In this video, I'm going to talk about the SolidWorks resources. So in the SolidWorks resources, you have the Welcome to SolidWorks. It gives you Property Tab Builder, SolidWorks, RX, Performance Benchmark Test, Compare My Score, and other stuff. But the main thing we are going to focus, or I'm going to speak about, is the design library and the appearance. So you have design library and appearance. These other things are also, you have a role to play, but for now I would like to focus on the design library. Then from there you pick it from there. So you could see, once you go to the design library, the first one, which is toolbox. So the toolbox is an add-in. Okay, basically what it does is it gives you the ability to select certain parts that are normally you don't have to design those parts, you just have to pick them and bring it in, or to save time. So if it happens that you are drawing a complex part, it can be you are drawing a whole complex processing plant or a machine part, you can't be drawing screws which are not the main thing. They are very small, they are not the main thing. So what happens is you need to get these stuffs in order to save you time. But all the same, if you want to draw them, it will help you get to understand those parts. And so the toolbox lets you pick those stuffs. So once I click on the add-in, then it gives me this. So the first one is ANSI, which is American Standard. You have also the American Standard, which is the metric. You also have a whole lot of standards. Okay, whole lot of standards, Germany, China, and a whole lot. But the one which is internationally known is the ISO, the International Standard Organization, the ISO standard. So I will select the ISO standard. So under the ISO, if you are drawing a bearing, you have ISO standard bearings. You also have ISO standard bolts and screws. You also have ISO standard keys. You have nuts. You have O-rings, pins, power transmission, that is gears. You also have structural members. You also have washers. So let's pick, for example, let me pick bolts and screws. Okay, so under the screws, you see you have cross, recess, head screws. You have hexagonal bolt structure, a whole lot. So let me select this one. So when I open it, I see a whole lot of them. Let me select any of them. So once you are certain you want to use this one, you click on it, then you drag it to the surface. Okay, then you drop it. Because you don't have anything here, the question is, are you trying to make a derived part? Yes. So I accept it. And once I accept it, it comes here. You can choose to bring cosmetic thread. Okay, so it's not allowing me because I've not yet dropped. So let me drop it. Yes, you accept it. So